Ever wonder why your Subaru Forester's AC alarm stays silent? You're not the only one. Here's what you need to know. First things first, what is the air conditioner alarm? In most Foresters, it's a warning chime that goes off if the system detects a fault like low refrigerant or an electrical problem. If your alarm isn't working, start with the basics. Check if the alarm's volume is turned down in your car's settings. Sometimes it's just muted. Next, check your dashboard for warning lights. If you see any, your AC might have a bigger issue like a blown fuse or bad sensor. A common culprit? The AC sensor itself. If it's faulty, it won't trigger the alarm. You might need a mechanic to run a diagnostic test. Still nothing? Check your owner's manual for alarm settings or try a system reset by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. If the alarm remains silent and your AC isn't cooling, don't ignore it. Ignoring warning signs can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. When in doubt, call a certified Subaru technician. They've got the tools and know-how to get you back to cool, safe driving. So next time your Subaru Forester's air conditioner alarm stays quiet, you'll know exactly where to start. Stay cool.